For online classes, contact us by WhatsApp to learn Arabic language and Quranic Arabic and the Holy Quran with Tajweed.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our channel Al Husna Institute. If you want to speak Arabic so fast, make sure that you are subscribed our channel. Let's start. Today we will learn Arabic sentences used in daily conversations. Min fadlika, please, ijlis, sit, huna, here. Min fadlika ijlis huna, please sit here. Min fadlika mean please, ijlis mean sit, huna mean here. Min fadlika ijlis huna, please sit here. Ijlis, sit, bijanibi, next to me. Ijlis bijanibi, sit next to me. Ijlis mean sit, bijanibi mean next to me. Ijlis bijanibi, sit next to me. When, satati, will you come? Mata satati, when will you come? Mata mean when, stati mean will you come. Mata satati, when will you come? Mata satati, when will you come? Ana, I am, qadimun, coming. Ana qadimun, I am coming. Ana mean I am, qadimun mean coming. Ana qadimun, I am coming. Ana qadimun, I am coming. Sa'akunu, I will be, fi intidarika, waiting for you. Sa'akunu fi intidarika, I will be waiting for you. Sa'akunu mean I will be, fi intidarika mean waiting for you. Sa'akunu fi intidarika, I will be waiting for you. Ayumkinuna, can we, at-tahaddus, talk. Ayumkinuna at-tahaddusu, can we talk? Ayumkinuna mean can we, at-tahaddusu mean talk. Ayumkinuna at-tahaddusu, can we talk? Sa'atahaddathu ma'aka, I will talk to you, lahiqan, later. Sa'atahaddathu ma'aka lahiqan, I will talk to you later. Sa'atahaddathu ma'aka mean I will talk to you. Lahiqan mean later. Sa'atahaddathu ma'aka lahiqan, I will talk to you later. Ud, come back. Huna, here. Ud ila huna, come back here. Ud mean come back. Huna mean here. Ud ila huna, come back here. Ud ila huna, come back here. Ud, come back. Al manzil, home. Ud ila al manzili, come back home. Ud mean come back. Al manzil mean home. Ud ila al manzili, come back home. Ud ila al manzili, come back home. Lam antahi, I have not finished. Ba'du, yet. Lam antahi ba'du, I have not finished yet. Lam antahi mean I have not finished. Ba'du mean yet. Lam antahi ba'du, I have not finished yet. Da'ni, let me. Akhruju, out. Da'ni akhruju, let me out. Da'ni mean let me. Akhruju mean out. Da'ni akhruju, let me out. Da'ni akhruju, let me out. Hal anta, are you? Hunaka, there. Hal anta hunaka, are you there? This is for male, and for female, hal anti hunaka, are you there? So when we say anti, so this is for female. When we say anta, so this is for male. Man, who? Ittasala bika, called you. Man ittasala bika, who called you? Man mean who. Ittasala bika mean called you. Man ittasala bika, who called you? Man ittasala bika, who called you?
For online classes, contact us by WhatsApp to learn Arabic language and Quranic Arabic and the Holy Quran with Tajweed. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy our lesson today and wait our next video. If you have any question, you can join our WhatsApp group by the link given in the description box below.